Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Suma Nair here. Welcome back. So let's begin with our today's session. So here comes the first question. The best way to detect the osseous defects is by clinical examination, by bone scan, by X-ray, or by MRI. The answer is bone scan. Bone scan is used to help diagnose the problems with the different metabolism, that is chemical activities which is happening inside the bone. It safely uses a very small amount of the radioactive drug, that is a radiopharmaceutical drug or a dye which does not stain the tissues. Moving on to the next question, how to reduce the occurrence of osteoradionecrosis? By endo and periodontal curettage, by extraction with hyperbaric oxygen therapy, that is HBOT, or by antibiotic therapy, or by all of the options. The answer is extraction with HBOT. Osteoradionecrosis is the bone death which happens because of damage to blood vessels of the bone due to increased radiation exposure. Osteoradionecrosis usually affects the mandible. The patient comes with a complaint of pain, swelling and redness of the affected site. The gingiva or the gums and the socket does not heal after the dental work is also a clinical feature of the osteoradionecrosis. Loose teeth, numbness or heavy feeling of the jaw, discharges of certain fluids, and the bone eventually becomes visible. The conservative line of treatment to cure the osteoradionecrosis is by frequent irrigation with saline and prescribe antibiotics during the infectious period of the lesion. HBOT is a hyperbaric oxygen therapy. In this procedure, the patient is asked to breathe pure oxygen inside a highly pressured environment. In this environment, the pressure is often 1.5 to 3 times greater than the normal air pressure. The next question is, geographic tongue is associated with what? Low iron deficiency anemia, arithmetic, diabetic, psoriasis, or all of the above options. The answer is all of the above options. As you know, the geographic tongue is also called as a benign migratory glossitis. It is characterized by the discoloration of tongue, which makes it look like a map on the affected area. There is presence of red patches which is surrounded by the grayish white borders in which the papillae are missing. So here is clinically how it looks in a patient's mouth. So clearly you can see that there are various red patches which is distributed all over the tongue, which is bordered with the grayish white borders. And when you observe it very keenly, you will be able to notice that there is absolute absence of papilla in the affected areas. This lesion is often painless, but the patient complains of numbness and tingling sensations on the affected site of the tongue. So let's see what are the causes of this lesion. Stress, excessive consumption of the processed food along with the spicy and the citrus food, hormonal changes, vitamin deficiencies, allergy and asthma. The treatment is done to reduce the flare-ups, that is by steroid applications, either by using an ointment or a rinse, zinc supplements, vitamin B supplementation, and advise the patient to avoid tobacco consumption, spicy or acidic food consumption. So I hope that you must have enjoyed today's video. Please do not forget to like and share all my videos and also give your suggestions or the feedbacks, as it's always a motivation for me to come up with more such videos. So I will be coming up next time. See you. Take care. Bye.